Hi everyone, this is Haris Javed. Hope you're doing well. So आज के फिर से हम इसी को कंटिन्यू करते हैं डिप्लोमा सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग का जो दूसरा टॉपिक है हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन टू विंडोज 10. So let's start. Okay. So सबसे पहले यहाँ मैं ईमेल डाल देता हूँ. example@mail.com. मैं ऐसे ही एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर डाल रहा हूँ. आपको अपनी पूरी ओरिजिनल मेल डालनी पड़ेगी ताकि आपके पास जो उसका रिजल्ट है वो डायरेक्टली आ जाए. और आंसर जो है फुल नेम. ओके, देन अब हम आगे चलते हैं. हमारे पास यहाँ पर सबसे पहले जो सवाल आता है इसमें तो सबसे पहले जो हमारे पास सवाल आता है कंप्यूटर माउस इवेंट इज. सो दिस विल बी ऑल ऑफ दीज. देन हमारे पास जो आता है नेक्स्ट सवाल, क्वेश्चन 2 इन कंप्यूटर ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप मींस टू सेलेक्ट आइटम एंड hold down the mouse. So this will be both A and B. Then हमारे पास आता है which of the following is not type of the user interface. So this will be both B and C. And computer files can exist in folders, but folders can exist in. This will be files. Computer menu is a collection of. So this will be commands. Then cut, copy, paste are the features of. So this will be clipboard. Then हमारे पास आ जाता है the anti Windows stands for new technology. Then हमारे पास आता है Windows feature of Windows include. So this will be all these. Then हमारे पास आता है computer interface used by DOS disk operating system is called. So this will be design interface. Add new computer hardware option exists in design. So this will be control panel. Then हम आगे चलते हैं. What is the name given to the modular scale computer? So this will be nano computer. In magnetic disk, the data is organized on a platter, and concentric sets of rings are called track. The name of the way that computer manipulate data into information is called so this will be processing. Then हमारे पास आता है which part of the computer helps to store information. So this will be title bar. So this will be stores information. So this will be describe. And then हमारे पास आता है any window, the maximize button, the minimize button and the close button appear on title bar. MS-DOS support files names up to character in length. So this will be 8. 17. What is the most common speed in RPM and which the hard disk usually rotate? So this will be 3600 RPM speed होगी 3600. So then हमारे पास आता है Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows NT are known as operating systems. Then the binary system uses power of 2. To maximize a window means expand it file to desktop. So software instructions intended to satisfy user-specific processing needs are called application software. Which of the following are the parts of operating system? So this will be all of these. And the term memory applies is one of the following. So this will be storage. Keyboard shortcuts are used to move the scroll bar. A general purpose single user microphone designed to be operated by one person at a time is PC. Which of the following is used in storage phase of a computer based information system? So this will be keyboard. Then हमारे पास जो next है वो आता है a dash contains buttons and menus that provide quick access to commonly used commands. So this will be so commonly used commands. Toolbar then lets you leave a screen program. So this will be exit. 29 हमारे पास dash may include the other folder while making hierarchical structure folder. So this will be B subfolder. The first microprocessor was introduced in 1971. Next. To start computer, dash key is used. So it will be reset. The commands at the top of the screen, such as file, edit, font tools, to operate and change the things within programs. So this will be menu bar. Another word for our daisy wheel printer is menu bar. Daisy wheel printer. Okay. Menu bar of daisy wheel printer will be golf ball printer. Letters, numbers, and symbols found on the keyboard are keys. Which of the following is the fastest? Which of the following is the fastest? So this will be CPU. CPU is the computer. The dash file format is a method of encoding pictures on the computer. So this will be JPEG, जिसे हम कहते हैं a place that user can create to store files. So this will be folder. On which button does help menu exist? So this will be start. What is the name given to the applications that combine text, sound, graphics, motion, video, and or animation? So this will be B multimedia. To start Internet Explorer, dash on the Windows and the Internet Explorer. So this will be B. Click the start button. Next. The desktop of a computer refers to. So this will be the visible screen. Which of the following menu types is also called a drop-down menu? So this will be pop-up. This type of computer are least powerful yet the most widely used and fastest growing computer. So this will be for microcomputers. The startup routines run with the machine. When machine boots up is known as boot up. When a chart is placed on this and the much larger, there is no other data on it. So this will be chart sheet. The dash of the software contains list of command and options. So this will be menu bar. Voice recognition system are used by the person who are handicapped. So this will be educationally. What is MP3? A sound format, obviously. Then हमारे पास आता है 49. So this will be which of the following types of menu shows further sub choices. So this will be up or down. 50, a symbol question on the screen prompts you take action and tells computer what to do next. So this will be prompt and dialog box. Okay, so मैं on करके submit score view. Okay, so दो गलत हुए जो मैंने खुद किए थे just for the explanation. So B files, this will be document, answer D. Okay, so इसकी explanation है नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, मैं इसमें explanation डाल दूंगा. Then जो हमारा दूसरा हुआ है, so इसमें भी explanation नहीं है. Okay, ठीक है, बाकी सब में होगी explanation, I'm sure. So okay guys, so गलत इसलिए किए थे ताकि पता चल जाए कि explanation है नहीं, explanation है नहीं, so कोई problem नहीं, explanation में आ जाएगी. So thank you so much for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.